Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how you can create a LUT, how to export it and how to import it. So let's see how you can do this. So I have these 3 clips. So let's create an adjustment layer. So we'll apply our liberty color on this adjustment layer. So let's go to effects and go to video effects color, and here we have Lumetri. Now we have a contour here, so let's make some basic changes. So that's it, what we did, our basic correction here. As you can see, slightly saturated can make this clip. Now if you go ahead, all the clips will be like this. So you can see. So now I want to export this LUT. So go to here in Lumetri color and click on this icon here. And here we have option export queue. So I just gave some name and I'll save it. So we have exported our. Now let's import that one, but before that, let's take another clip like this one and let's apply that LUT on this footage. So how to import that and apply it? I'll go again here in the Lumetri color here, and here we have creative look. Here you can create on this browse. I'll go to desktop and I have this saturated look cube which we exported just now. So select this one and click open. So you can see the instant result. So here we have saturated look. So this we applied. Now I can do some tweaking here if you want. Sure. So that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe as I upload regularly on this channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next part.